I'm Heather Stevenson with the Stevenson team, and today we're bringing you a brand new listing that's coming to the market this week. It's located at 8407 Sunset Rose Drive in the premier gated community of The Retreat in South Corona. This home is spectacular. It features 4743 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and best of all, it has absolutely panoramic views of the Cleveland National Forest. There are 3 fireplaces, upgraded granite with its subway tile backsplash, gray paint, crown molding, baseboards, and more. Best of all, it has a movie theater in the bonus room that is phenomenal. So come check it out today. It won't last long.